area of combined rectangles. Yesterday we learned how to find the area of one rectangle. Today we're going to get into more complicated shapes, but you'll see that it's really the same skill. We just need to do it more than once. Let's have a look. Suppose we had this shape and we want to find the area. Remember, the area is the space inside. So if it were a rectangle, we would do 16 times 8, and that would give us our area. But notice that would include this space here, which is not part of our shape. So we need to figure out a way of calculating this. And it's not as hard as it might look. If we just took a straight edge and divided up this shape a little bit, like this, now we have 3 rectangles. 1, 2, 3. And if we could find the area of this one, and then the area of this one, and the area of this one, we could add it all together to find out the area of the whole thing, which would not include this open space here. So let's see if we can figure that out. Here, we know this is 4 feet, and this is 4 feet. And since these are right angles, this would be 4 feet, and this would be 4 feet. So the area is base times the height. 4 times 4 is 16. What are we measuring in feet? And because we multiplied feet times feet, that's square feet. Let's take a look at this one over here. Again, we have 4 and 4. That's going to be 4, and this is going to be 4. So it's, again, 16 square feet. Pretty easy. What about this big rectangle down here? We know the length, the base, is 16 feet. How tall is it? It says 8 feet on the sides, but is this rectangle 8 feet tall? Remember, when we squared this off, we have 4 feet here. We have 4 feet over here as well. So if this is 4 feet, what's left for down here? Well, this must be 4 feet as well, and this would be 4 feet. So we have 16 times 4. This is one of those facts I said comes up a lot in life. You don't have to have it memorized, but we deal with it a lot here in math class. We'll do it off to the side. 16 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Put the 4 down, carry the 2, circle it. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So the area of this rectangle is 64 square feet. So all we had to do was figure out the area of 3 rectangles instead of one big shape. And now we can add these together. We have 16 plus 16 plus 64. My 10 is 4 and 6 is 10, plus 6 more is 16. Carry the 1 and circle it. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So 96, and what are these measurements? Feet squared. So the area of this entire thing is 96 square feet. What you want to do when we're finding areas of combined rectangles is to divide where you can make rectangles, find the area of that, use some logical reasoning to figure out the other lengths and heights, and then add the areas together. That is how we do area of combined rectangles in 4th grade.